Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online as a work from home freelancer. So in many of my latest tutorials, I've been talking about how you can use ChatGPT to make YouTube videos, to create content, blog posts, and so much more. But a lot of my subscribers say they cannot use ChatGPT because they are from a country where ChatGPT is not accessible. So what is an alternative to ChatGPT that is low cost or free? Well, many people don't know that Canva actually has an AI tool called magicwrite. magicwrite's an AI-enabled writing assistant that empowers anyone to effortlessly and quickly create written content. So you can use it for social posts, business plans, blogs, etc. So if you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free. I've linked you to my referral link in the description below where you can click to sign up. And Canva free users have 25 lifetime magicwrite uses. So you can try it out 25 times and see whether or not you like it. And after you watch this video, I'll give you some tips so you can maximize the use of those 25 uses so you're not going to waste them just testing it out. Now, if you have Canva Pro, which I have, you have up to 75 magicwrite uses, and this limit refreshes every billing month. So this is what it looks like when you open up Canva. However, Canva magicwrite is only available under Doc. All you have to do is go to canva.com and click here on Doc. And this is a new feature within Canva where you can create documents. And to access magicwrite, you just have to click on the plus icon here and you'll see it says Magic. Then click on magicwrite. And it says use 5 or more words to describe what you want to write. So here it says try an example. Let's click that. You can keep clicking try another to see some examples of the sort of things that you can use with magicwrite. I'm going to put give me 20 ideas for videos for a YouTube channel about nutrition and weight loss. Then click enter. And just like that, you can see that this is our headline. This is what we asked Canva to generate for us. And they have given us 20 different ideas. Now, one thing I want to mention to you before you start using your 25 free uses is what are the limitations of magicwrite? So magicwrite has a 200-word input limit and around a 500-word output limit. This means that generated text might get cut off mid-sentence. So in order to get the maximum benefit of magicwrite, you might want to ask it to write a 500-word article, for example, and that way it won't write just a little short one and waste one of your uses. So what you can do is press enter. So I'm going to click on Add Magic again, and then remember to click magicwrite. So I'm going to write a 500-word article about simple and healthy recipes, and then press enter. And you can see here they've created us a nice article. So to save this, at the top here you can give it a title. Let's put weight loss blog ideas. And you can click File, Save, and that will save within Canva for you. We can also click File, Create New Design, and let's just say a new doc and try something else. You can even go here to Templates, and let's type in cover letter. Let's say you're applying to a job and you want magicwrite to help you, the way we did in another ChatGPT video. I'm going to click on this template here. Okay, I'm going to actually erase this. And let's erase this here. Click on the Add Magic, magicwrite. Write a cover letter for a transcription job. Mention that I have 2 years of experience and I've worked with companies such as Rep, Transcribe Me, Scribby. I also have a foot pedal and a typing speed of 150 words per minute. So this is what they've come up with. So we can actually erase this prompt here and erase to whom it may concern because they've actually already written the letter for us. And you can see here that they've given us a nice little cover letter. So from here you can just put in your own information, your signature, your name, your email, add your own signature. And you can see they've written a really nice professional cover letter just like that. And when you're using any of these templates, if you want to make any adjustments here in this box, you just click on it, click here on more, then click Edit Design, and that will bring this image into Canva. And from here, you can just double click and add any information you want. You have a company named, let's say that's your company name. Here's your address. You put your email here if you wanted. And here you can even erase this image if you want and go to Elements and add your own logo. You could even change up the colors, whatever you want, and then click Save. And just like that, you have a custom cover letter for whatever job you are applying to. Let's try another idea. File, create new design, doc. We're going to go on the plus, click magicwrite. 15 inspirational quotes for a travel Instagram page. So let's say you're a social media manager and you're running a travel blog on Instagram. Now you've got some quotes that you can use, and you can go ahead, open up Canva. You could type in Instagram post. Look at this, quote Instagram posts. And here are all sorts of templates. Again, all of them are free except for the ones that say pro. Look at this one, for example. Click on this, click customize this template. Now we're going to go back to our doc with Canva magicwrite. Let's use this one here. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Go back, and there you have an Instagram post you can do. And all you have to do is go duplicate page, and you can use a different template this time. Now take a new quote, Control Copy, Control Paste, and then you put your blog down here at my travel blog or whatever. And you can just keep doing that, duplicate, add more quotes, change up the pictures. An even easier way to do it is to use the same template, click duplicate, and you can put a new quote here, and then to change the image, just go over to photos and it will search for royalty-free photos. So you can click on here, search by free, apply filters, and let's type in travel, and then just click on a picture and boom, find a picture you like, and then just hold it over. And just like that, you've got another quote. You can just keep using the same template as well if you want to make it look more uniform across your social media account. So these are just a few examples of the amazing things that you can do with Canva magicwrite and how you can use this as an alternative to ChatGPT, especially if ChatGPT goes down or if you're from a country where you cannot access ChatGPT. So make sure to sign up to Canva using my referral link if you haven't already done so, and follow Jennifer Marie for more tips and tricks on how to grow your own online business.